Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video, I'll teach you how to download and install Zoom on your laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser and search for Zoom. Hit enter. Here, just click on download. Again, click on download. Now the setup will be installed in just a few time. Now the setup has been installed. Let's open it. Now the Zoom is getting installed. It will take some time. Has been installed, it will open automatically. And now the Zoom is installed. So first thing is to sign in. You can do it by Google or Facebook. I'll do it by Google. Sign in. Choose your account. Now just add your date of birth. Create account. Just allow this and open the meetings. Close this. And now the Zoom is launched. Here you can do a new meeting. You can join a meeting. You can schedule and share screen as well. So guys, you can do 40 minutes meeting on this platform. But to make it unlimited, stay tuned for my next new video. Enough for today. Bye bye.